Question 17 on your 3.5. We need to find the inverse of the function, and the question itself, they already restrict the x. In other words, they have restricted the domain for all the x is less equal than -3. Now, how do we find the inverse of x? So f of x is equal to x squared minus 9. I rewrite the f of x into the y, and the right hand side stay the same. Interchange x and y. So now I rewrite the y into x into the y. Do the square on both sides, so I get x squared equal y squared minus 9. Now y squared is equal x squared plus 9. Oh, by the way, I forgot to write down the x is less equal than -3. So once we start to interchange x and y, this x value, I need to change to y as well. Okay? So now we have the y is less equal than -3. Y is less equal than -3. Solve for the y. So we will have the y is equal plus minus square root x squared plus 9. And the right hand side, not the right hand side, the domain still have the restriction on y less equal than -3. Now, since the y give us the restriction already, so we only can pick the y is equal a negative root x squared plus 9. So this is the inverse of the function f of x. We only pick the negative output because the y have given us the indication. We only can take the negative y value. Another part of the question is solve for x. Now x is here. And the restriction give us y is less equal than -3. So I'm going to set negative root x squared plus 9 is less equal than -3. Divide by negative sign on both sides, you'll get a root x squared plus 9. Change the sign direction into the other way around, greater equal than 3. Now do the square, you'll have the x squared plus 9 greater equal than 9. Bring the 9 to the right hand side, turn to the 0. So that means your x must greater equal than a 0. So this part, x is the restriction on the domain. You have to make your x is greater equal than 0.